Another morning. It's actually, today is Wednesday, so I think I left off Monday, kind of jumping around. Yesterday was working on a Mustang, but today we're back on the 51. We've got the chassis and shop here, kind of got everything set up. But check these out. We did a big apparel order and we've got some new stuff. So these are actually, this is a snapback. They call it a 7 panel because it's actually the flat panel there in the front, but we got these ones kind of still with the leather patch with the A. These are called low pros, but just kind of embroidered, still snapback. That color, that's like a, I think they call it like a wheat color or something, I don't know. Then the black ones, and then this black one, this is one I kind of dig, but it has the leather patch with the logo on it, 7 panel, snapback, flat brim. Those are, they're all on order, so I think we're gonna maybe flip-flop some patches between them, but essentially that's the color array that we're going with. But yeah, so we'll have a bunch of hats. We have fitted hats, kind of like these 210s that I wear. Same kind of deal with the logos. Won't have the patches to be mainly embroidered. So but yeah, cool stuff, bunch of stuff. Got hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, everything coming. But yeah, we'll go out here and check this chassis out, see this, and I'll throw this thing on time lapse and we will put this thing together for the final time, hopefully. So we shall see. Okay, I had to throw a new battery in this thing, wait for it to charge. But anyway, still on this thing. We got some more parts hung on it. This side's essentially close. Everything is snug. I need to go back over, torque everything. The rear's hung in there. Bars are adjusted. Still need to go back over, like I said, go back over the bolts. But yeah, just wrenching on the upper control arm bolts and then the lower control arm bolts, which on this one, all the camber caster adjustment is in the lower arms, has eccentrics on the lower arms. I guess I don't know truly why they did it on the lowers instead of the uppers. I don't know. I mean, it's 6 one, half dozen other. Still does the same deal. So we're gonna hang that stuff on there. I gotta go get the brakes to throw the brakes on, and then to do the back brakes, obviously. Then I'm gonna throw the third member in it, axles in it, parking brake hats, and all that good stuff. So put this thing back on time lapse and get to it. Well, that's about a wrap for today. We made pretty good progress. Thing is come together. We got all the brake parts laid out here on the table. Just start to throw that together, put that together tomorrow, make it a true roller tomorrow. Got the third member thrown in there. All the brake lines ran. Everything is tight. I gotta paint mark everything to say that it's been torqued and tight, make sure nothing moves. But yeah, definitely dialed in, but should be nice. Not too crazy about the silver, but that's what the customer wanted. That's what the customer got. So it'll look cool. It'll contrast real well with the red or burgundy or whatever that color is considered that's going to be on it. But be a nice contrast for sure. So, but yeah, so we'll record some more tomorrow. But yeah, that's where we're at today. Definitely slow process to put it together, to not mark nothing up, get all the bolts tight and keep it nice. You know what I mean? Like, you can ram jam stuff together and screw stuff up, but you got to take pride in what you do, and you spend big money like this, you got to keep it nice. You know what I mean? It's like, that's why we do what we do. And I mean, it costs money to have nice stuff, so, and you want to keep it nice, especially when you got this much money in it. So definitely be cool piece. But yeah, that's where we're at today.